Good day mga Balbon! Welcome back sa channel natin. And of course, nandito naman tayo para sa isa namang walk around. Nandito tayo sa Nissan Sumulong Highway. Ayan, makikita nyo naman, ang daming sasakyan sa labas. So, we are here to do a quick walk around of this 2024 updated pare na Nissan Navara VE. Okay? And this variant is priced at 1,410,000 pesos. Now, if you like to have a good deal on this variant, this is made possible, of course, by our friend Kevin Evangelista. Ito yung kanyang contact information. Any question pare? Sure ball. Bibigyan niya kayo ng magandang deal. Okay? Tara, tignan natin to. Start natin of course dito sa ating doors. So soft touch naman yung dito sa may gilid. So malambot siyang hawakan, pero the rest are plastic. If you will go inside, meron ka namang stepboard dito. No grab handle for the driver kasi meron ka namang steering wheel. So madali naman pumasok. Oh, ganyan lang. And then of course, let's hear how it sounds. Okay. I think that's a quality sound for me. And ayun, antimano, pag upo ko, nakaganyan kagad ako. So malambot yung kanyang armrest dito sa driver side. And you have your center console here that is leather wrapped. And meron din siyang storage sa loob. Let's start with the steering wheel. This is one of the updates here. So kita kagad natin, wrap naman siya ng leather. So may mga stitching siya na gray. And then meron siyang pa-letter V dito sa may baba na parang aluminum brushed yung tingin ko sa kanya, pero it looks appealing para sa akin. It's really good looking. And then you have your cruise control here, you have your volume control and infotainment control. Meron ka rin syempre computer control dito sa iyong steering wheel. The cluster is the same as before, I believe. May na-review na kasi tayo, yung VL, and here's the link kung di mo pa yung napapanood. Meron kang dalawang analog gauges sa dalawang gilid, and then you have a center computer. Okay naman sa akin, good looking, pretty impressive for me. And then, let's talk about the dashboard itself. So, ang sinasabi nga nila, kamukha to ng sa Terra. Pero ayun nga, tama nga naman, kasi itong part na to, this infotainment system, parang kinuha sa Terra tapos ikinabit dito, no? So that's good. And then the air vents are different as well. Kung makikita nyo, meron din siyang silver accent sa kanyang mga gilid dito sa gitna, ganun din. And pretty neat yung kanyang air vents kasi nga maliit lang siya pero malapad or mahaba siya. So that's good. Nandito na rin yung hazard button. So plastic yan sa ibabaw. Plastic sa ibabaw. So this have 6 speakers. So may nakikita ako dun sa ibabaw. I believe those are speakers. This is your key fob. As you can see, rotary pa yung switch. So wala. So meron pa siyang ganun. So pagka inopen naman, inon lang natin, we cannot start it kasi nandito tayo sa showroom. Pero pagka inon mo siya, iilaw yung instrument cluster, and then mag-on din yung infotainment system natin. So it looks pretty good, man. Ito plastic, pero sa akin okay. Ang ganda ng feel nito, para tong aluminum na texturized. And then this has a dual climate control system. So parang yung sa Terra din, ang gandang ikutin, may tunog na, at saka yung feel niya na premium para sa akin. So that's good, no? And then your fan speed here. Yan, oo. Inan natin yung aircon. This truck still have the same 2.5 turbo diesel engine that is mated with a 7-speed automatic transmission. So, ayun nga, mga naririnig natin. mabilis daw talaga to. We have an info from our friend. Shout out Kevin De Guzman, pare. He is a Navara owner, and we got some figures from him, mixed. Majority is city, and then highway driving is around 12.5 kilometers per liter. And for me, okay na yun. It's pretty decent amount of efficiency. Kasi ako, nakakotse ako, naka-gas engine. Sa akin, naglalaro lang ng mga 10 eh. Sa city driving So, pagka lumalayo ako, pumapatak yun ng mga 15 to 16 kilometers per liter. So, that's fine. And with this size of, the size and the weight of this vehicle, I believe that's a good figure na para sa ganitong sasakyan. Diba? So, and actually, to be honest, before, nasa shortlist ko to, mga nasa top 4. Ngayon, na nakita ko siya sa personal and nakita ko yung quality, umaangat siya ng konti. Umaangat talaga siya. So, I'm really interested on this one. So, dito naman tayo sa taas. Meron ka ditong vanity mirror with lights, pare. Nice one. So, ayos na ayos yun. And then, of course, you have your sunglass holder here. And then, yung ilaw mo dito na LED na. So, that's nice. Sa passenger mo naman, meron ding, syempre, vanity mirror with lights. Alright? So, that's good. And you have your pretty much standard rear view mirror. Meron pa rin ditong mga sensors kasi it has some of the Nissan's technology. Like, meron tong yung forward collision warning with emergency braking. Tapos, ang maganda rin dito, meron na din siyang speed sensing door locks na hindi natin nakikita normally sa ibang variant. So this VE variant is actually, ang mga katapat nito, XLT ng Ford, and then yung GLX ng Mitsubishi, and then LSA ng Isuzu. So I'm really happy that I went here and checked this out, and nasi-share ko din to sa inyo. You have cup holders here in the middle. Malalim naman siya. Meron kang lagayan dito ng cellphone. Hindi siya wireless charging. You have your glove box here na dampened. So that's good. And then yun nga, meron ka ditong storage with 12-volt socket. For the seats, of course, meron tayong backwards and forward position adjustment. Meron tayong recline and incline. And then, this is what I'm actually always looking for. Kahit hindi naman kasi, pero in this case, this is really a commanding view. Kita mo naman kagad yung hood and yung dalawang contour dun sa ibabaw ng hood. Pero meron ka pa rin height adjustment. Although it's manual, but it's fine. And then your steering wheel is adjustable. So it's only height adjustable, hindi siya telescopic. That's fine with me. Diba? Teka, tol, baka naman hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel natin. If you are interested on this kind of videos, kung naghahanap ka rin ng sasakyan na para sa'yo, just subscribe to my channel. Tignan natin. Baka mamaya, isa sa mga ma-review natin is yung gusto mo ng sasakyan. Okay? O tara, let's check out this second row or the back seat kung ano yung meron dun sa likod. Let's go! Okay, so on to the second row, same materials. You have your step board to hop in. No, meron ditong grab handle, pero dito wala. Okay lang. You will just try to pull yourself in. So, ayan. You can see this is my driving position. Yan, maluwag naman. And then your headroom is pretty decent amount. So, these are fabric seats. Komportable naman siyang upuan. May design yung puwetan, pero masarap din upuan. And then, yeah. I think okay ako dito. And then you have your grab handle here. The most important factor here is you have rear air vents dito sa likod. Meron ka ding charging ports dito for your Type C and then your Type A na mga cables. Gray ang headliner. Oh, pwede sa tatlo. Wala namang ano dito, hump, walang hump dito sa gitna masyado. So pwede naman, komportable din dito umupo sa gitna. Meron ka ditong armrest with cup holders. Let's check out kung ano bang nagagawa nito. Ba nagagawa nito? Yan. May latch ba to? May latch nga. Okay, so pag hinila mo to, ayan, pwede siyang iangat ng ganyan. Tapos may mga storage compartment ka rin dito sa ilalim. Yan, kulay itim ang kanyang carpet. So, pwede mo na yan ditong i-hook. Alright, so pwede. One. And then, how about this? Parang di naman siya hindi siya naalis. Hindi siya na-fold. Dito lang naiangat mo. Ito lang. Anyways, that's fine. Ayos pa rin. Di ba? Okay, so kung magpapagas ka naman, pipindutin mo lang yan, basta naka-unlock yung mga doors, and there you go. Ganun lang, pipindutin lang siya. Ayan. Then you have, of course, you have your Calibre sticker here, dito sa gilid. And then, ito yung likod niya, mga balbon. Ayan. Oh, you have your Nissan badging here, you have your reverse camera, and then the Navara branded at the bottom of your tailgate. And then, ayan, meron kang VE na badging. So, if we will check out the bulbs here, so may mga bulb, signal lights bulb, and then meron siyang LED dito sa ibabaw na park light, I believe. So, LED yun nandun sa ibabaw. Reflector lang tong nasa ilalim. Yan. Okay din, no? Ayos din yung kanyang tail light. And then, ang gusto ko dito, ito, yung part na to. Yan. Yan, oh. Pero dapat to, lalagyan mo to ng, I believe meron tong kasama sa bed liner sa ibabaw. Of course, this variant comes in with this Grand Trek Dunlop all-terrain 23 tires with the size of 255/65 R17. So 17-inch aluminum wheels. Alright? So silipin na rin natin yung kanyang pang-ilalim. So kita mo naman, matibay yan, tol. Hindi naman basta-basta. So meron siyang mga undercoating stock na. Actually dito sa may ilalim, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung body paint. Pero meron siya ditong texturized dito sa ilalim, sa pinaka-ilalim. So I think that's a good thing para din iwas scratching yun dito sa ilalim. So meron na rin yung mudguard. So sa harap, nakita naman natin na yung angas niya nandyan pa rin. Di ba? Oh, nandyan pa rin yung angas niya, tol. Chrome yung kanyang outer part ng front grille. Pero black out naman itong mga to. Well, pwede rin natin ipa-black out yan kung gusto natin, di ba? Pa-black out natin. And then, yung quadruple projector lights na signature ng Navara, nandyan. Ng Nissan. O, yun. Pogi, oh. O. Meron kang tow hook point doon sa baba. May isa. Ayan. Ayos. Wapo. Okay, I believe that's it. And tingnan nyo naman, ang dahil tumitingin ito. So, once again, this is the polar white color ng VE variant. So, ayun. Pakita natin kung ano yung kanyang loob, makina, labas. And I'm hoping na na-enjoy nyo yung episode natin ngayon. And if you have any question, of course, regarding dito at sa deal na pwede nilang maibigay, just reach out to Kevin. Matutulungan niya kayo. Okay? Ano mga balbon? Tara! Sa tagumpay.